Embark on a journey to create vacancy-specific CVs in minutes with the Smart Applications software. This guide will walk you through a series of precise steps, from generating specific achievements to exporting CVs. Optimize your experience with these instructions. Use the Smart Assistant feature after you have fully completed your master CV template. Once this is done, you can navigate to the Career Pathway section. Explore the list of vacancies. Find one that you are interested in. Locate the Application Assistant option. And click Go. You will now be notified that we have created you a new template specifically for this vacancy. What this means is, you can change content for this specific vacancy without having to alter your master CV. This is really important. Employers don't want to receive a standard CV, they want to see how it is tailored specifically for their opportunity. Skills Miner enables you to do this effortlessly. Click the selected button. You can see the new template listed here. You can switch between your various templates at any point. You can also delete templates, with the exception of your master template. But this is the clever bit. Click on the chevron to let Skills Miner create you specific content based on the vacancy requirements. Create tailored accomplishments for this job description by clicking this button. In order to generate the statement, you must use coins you have either earned or purchased. This is because Skills Miner uses other platforms that incur charges, and so we must control usage. Click the Confirm button to continue. You are notified that the content is hypothetical and that you should modify the content where necessary. Click here to close the box. You can now see a range of requirements that have been taken from the vacancy description and rewrote as achievements. Identify a statement that is relevant to you, by which we mean something you do have experience of, or have achieved. If it's something close to what you have experienced or achieved, you can select the statement and then edit accordingly. For this example, we have identified the statement highlighted. Check the box to select the statement. You can select multiple statements at once, or do them one at a time. The first time you do this, we'd suggest you do it individually, until you get used to the process. Now click here to incorporate the chosen text into your CV template. You now need to choose where to add the selected text. In most cases, you would want to put this into the relevant experience section, if you have experience of this skill in a formal work position. However, you may also put it in your personal statement, if this is a core skill that you live and breathe. You can also put it into your award or project sections. This is relevant if it's something you were recognized for, or something that was a component of a specific project. For the purposes of this exercise, we'll add it to the personal statement. You can see the statement has now been added to your personal statement. We will show you how to edit this later. Let's select a few more requirements. We'll select this one. And this one. And this one. You can see the ones we have selected here. Finally, we can add them to our CV template by clicking this button. Now we choose where we want to add the content. This time we will add it to our experience as a healthcare assistant. Click on Edit Experience, for the healthcare assistant role. You can see the new statements added. However, I would like them to be in the same bullet point format. So I add bullet points to each of them, like so. Until everything is formatted in the same way. Finalize and store the modifications made. In minutes you have modified your CV template, to apply specifically to a vacancy. When the employer sees it, they will have evidence you have achieved, or have experience of, their requirements. As you did with your master CV template, you can now export the CV. Check that it still meets the same 2 to 3 page guidelines and then export. The Smart Applications feature enables you to apply for vacancies in minutes instead of hours. This guide efficiently navigated Smart Applications for employee training, covering tasks from generating tailored achievements to exporting CVs. By following these steps, users can streamline their processes and maximize their experience within the software.